How do farmers harvest their honey, and is it something I can do? Maybe two questions you'll be asking yourself when it comes to fresh honey. Today I'm going to be showing you how farmers harvest their honey and some tips and tricks to help you do it. First, you're going to want to be gentle and make slow, calm movements when you're around bees. This will help keep them calm and no harm will come your way. Second, don't wear any strong smells such as cologne or perfume while harvesting. And third, you're going to want to wear a beekeeping outfit or long sleeves and pants to avoid getting stung. There are three things that you'll need. First is a smoker, then a brush, and a tool to open the lid of the hive. After gently opening the lid, you can begin to spray the bees. You don't want to spray too much or it'll affect the taste of the honey, but just enough to calm the bees down. Second, you can pull out the frames in the hives to see if all the supers are full of honey. The supers are the little individual pockets of the comb. If they're full, they will have wax on top of them. While harvesting, you are looking for a frame that has both sides completely waxed over. You want to make sure that you leave enough honey for bees to eat in the cold months, so you can't take all of it. Step number 3. When you find a frame that is full on both sides, you can use the brush to make sure that all the bees are off of it so they don't come with you. Then place the frame in a covered wheelbarrow. Once you get the honey inside, you will want to use a hot knife to scrape off as much of the wax as possible. Next, place the frames in an extractor. An extractor is a machine that spins the frames around really fast and pulls the honey out. Extracting the honey this way prevents you from destroying the comb. This is a lot of hard work though. Once all the honey is at the bottom of the extractor, you will want to drain it and then let it drain over a cheesecloth for several hours. Draining it over a cheesecloth helps pull the last bits of wax out of the honey. Finally, you'll want to bottle up the honey and store it on a shelf or sell it. Collecting fresh honey seems pretty easy, but is definitely a full day's work. So thank a local farmer for spending their time providing a fresh and healthy product.